Sign up a ChatGPT account in 9 steps. Firstly, we open a web browser, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, etc. We type ChatGPT into the search bar. We visit the OpenAI website by selecting one of the displayed options. We click on the option to sign up. The page that opens allows you to either sign in with your Google or Microsoft email account, or you can enter your own email address and sign in. You set a password. After that, you confirm the registration via the email you provided. Upon confirmation, you enter your name and date of birth. And it's completed. Now you also have a ChatGPT account. Don't forget to subscribe to and like our channel.